I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by duplicating the image layer so you can always revert. Open your healing brush or spot healing tool and set a soft edge. Lower hardness helps blend. Zoom to the area and pick a brush roughly 1 to 2 times the hair width. Sample from adjacent clean skin or hair regions and make short strokes along the strand, letting the tool replace texture while preserving tone. Once done with initial passes, make sure to toggle the duplicate layer visibility to compare progress. Now you move into reconstruction. For larger holes left by removed hairs, switch to a low-opacity clone stamp and build up pixels gradually, which prevents patchy transitions. If skin texture matters, use frequency separation so you can edit color on the low-frequency layer and texture on the high-frequency layer independently. Sample frequently from directionally consistent skin or hair areas to avoid repeating patterns. Blend edges with a tiny soft brush, and use the healing tool again to unify any mismatched texture once you're satisfied. To finish, examine the edit at 100% and refine any visible seams with a small soft brush or a 1 to 3 pixel Gaussian blur selectively. This helps blend retouched areas into surrounding skin. Toggle before/after to confirm natural results, then flatten or merge visible while keeping a layered saved copy. Export in PNG or TIFF for quality. If something looks off, don't panic. Add a layer mask and paint back original pixels selectively, or undo recent steps and try a different sample source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.